As a savings plan for college, when their son Bob was born, the Smiths deposited $10,000 in an account paying 8% compounded annually. How much will the account be worth when Bob is 18 years old? So, when Bob was born, his parents decided to deposit an amount of $10,000 in a savings account for his future, so that when he is 18 years old, they get the amount and they can use that for his education. So the amount basically has been deposited for a period of 18 years. Every year, the rate of interest is 8%, and the interest is being compounded annually. So what that means is that at the end of first year, the interest gained during that year is added to the principal, which is at the beginning of that year. So that becomes, let's say, P1, which is equal to P, the original principal, plus the interest gained during the first year. And now this principal, that is P1, becomes the principal for the second year. So the interest of 8% is accrued on this P1, which is the amount at the end of first year, and so on. So now the Smiths are trying to find out what is the amount they'll get at the end of 18 years with this plan. So the amount is equal to principal multiplied by 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. Now A is the amount which is obtained at the end of the tenure, which is 18 years, and this amount includes the principal which was deposited plus the total interest accrued during these 18 years. P is the principal amount, which is $10,000 in this case. R is the rate of interest per compounding period. Now here the compounding period is annual, so the rate is 8%, and N is the number of compounding periods. So the compounding is happening annually and the tenure is 18 years, so the number of compounding periods is 18. So let's enter these values to find out the amount. So or A is equal to 10,000 multiplied by 1 plus r, which is 8, divided by 100 to the power n, which is 18. So or A is equal to 10,000 1 plus 0.08 to the power of 18, or A is equal to 10,000 multiplied by 1.08 to the power 18. So let me pull my calculator here to find the answer. So 1.08 to the power 18 multiplied by 10,000, and this is equal to $39,960. So A is equal to $39,960. So this is the amount they'll get at the end of 18 years when they deposited an amount of $10,000 at a rate of 8% compounded annually.